if anybody else heard that, but I always grew up sort of hearing that if you wanted to make the money, you had to do the work. And what I think a lot of people don't know is that, when you're a shareholder, somebody else is doing the work and you're making the money. Or if you sell stock options, which anybody in here could actually do that. If you were here at the Stock Option Summit this weekend, I know a lot of you were. All we talked about were different ways to generate income using these options. Do you find that sometimes people just don't believe it's doable? Like you tell them and they're like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, that's only because, you're really smart or you're really lucky or or because you're rich and I'm not, or like, do you run into resistance when you talk to people about that kind of thing?
I do, but I can really the consistent results can speak louder than my words ever could speak. So um, I do, but when I first really started doing this at a high level, I was more vocal, especially to my inner circle. But nowadays, I purposely don't say too much. The consistent results speak for themselves.
Okay. And what are the consistent results? How would you describe that?
Three or four, five, six, seven times my cost of living every month.
Okay.
Buying back my time, spending my 24, however God meant me to spend my 24, sleeping until whatever time I want to, going to the gym whatever time I want to, going to Atlanta whatever time, day and time I want to, go hang out in Las Vegas whatever day and time I want to, go to Miami Beach, whatever. That's what it means.
Okay, okay. Okay, so 7 times, did you say 7 times your cost of living?
Six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 15, 20, whatever my cost, whatever. Okay. There's no shortage of cash in America. I send all these executives work. You know, I don't like labor. I don't like labor. I like living.
No, people ain't used to hearing niggers talk like that around here. You can't be talking about that, boy. Black men ain't supposed to talk like that.
I'm ready to compete. Bring your A game. I'm ready to compete. Bring your HR, bring your A plus game. I'm ready to compete. Whoever, whatever chief executive, I'm your top competition. I'm ready to compete. I put that work in. I don't say that lightly. I really sacrificed the last 20 years of my life. I really put this work in every day. I really sacrifice every day. I'm really about that life. I don't say that
Hmm.
lightly.
Okay, so you put in the work. So what drives you to put in the work? Like what is it that people can tell that you're locked in. And just so you know, if you meet Errol in person, he's a very strong, muscular guy. So he goes to the gym a lot. So what is it that drove you to kind of have such a focused perspective on things?
Two main things drive me. The ancestors sent me to be exceptional. That's one reason. The failure is one driving force. Another driving force is HR telling me back in the day I'm not qualified. That's a third driving force. And my own hunger. Those are four driving forces right there.
Okay. Okay, you're on interesting. So um hunger. Yeah, well, I think it's interesting. One of the reasons, just so in case y'all don't know, not only is Errol a student in the class, but we work together a lot. He does a lot of stuff in the Black Business School now because as you can tell, why he's good. He's committed. He's disciplined. He's focused. And I love working with him, by the way. So when it comes to this sort of approach, do you work on options every day? Do you look at them 3 times a week, or what's your sort of routine?
In my head, I'm always calculating opportunity cost. In my head, I'm always doing some kind of analysis. Me and you are mathematicians, so numbers are always floating around in our head. So every day,